Hey, I'm Amanda Mertz, and today I'm going to show you a few natural ways to keep the bugs out of your life. Well, or at least from attacking your face. First, we're going to make an easy candle hack. Grab a jar and fill it half full of water. Now cut some lemons and limes and put them in. Next, throw some sprigs of rosemary in. Last, we're going to put 10 drops of cedar wood, lavender, or lemon essential oils. Now add a floating candle and you'll be bug-free. This is one of the best ways of keeping mosquitoes away. Next, we're going to make a spray. For this, you will need 2 tablespoons fresh mint, spearmint, or peppermint finely chopped. 6 tablespoons of citronella, lavender, or cloves that are finely chopped. 1 cup distilled water. 1 cup witch hazel, rubbing alcohol, or vodka. Do you know of any DIY bug repellents? Let us know in the comments, then make sure you check out Rated Red's YouTube channel and hit subscribe. From the cabin, I'm Amanda Mertz.